Hello guys, welcome to PerfectionBiz Digital Agency. I want to quickly carry you through how to run your sponsored ad that converts to sales and the reason why you need to key into our consultancy service this year. So welcome to PerfectionBiz. This is our main page and this page is well optimized and you can see the page reverb. And first thing first is your business needs to be on business accounts to have all the functions
like you've seen here. So, and then all this thing I think highlighted is called page reverb or page optimization, and you can see these plays that are moving. That is what is called highlights, right? So with this you can be able to see our feedback, our clients, our page branding, and you could see everything detailed about our business without even having to call me to know what we do or to look into the page before you know what we do. All right, but we are not going to be using this page. We're going to be using the new page to run our sponsored ads today. So I'll be carrying you through on how to run sponsored ad with one of these my posts today. And this page is a new page of just about just like a month, and I'm trying to build it up because I don't want a situation where I lose my main page and we don't have a backup page. So stay tuned. I'm going to carry you through. My name is Samuel Olaoloran, the brand manager of PerfectionBiz.
With these ads, I'll be able to get more visibility to this page. So first thing you need to do or need to know is for you to be able to run a sponsored ad, like to be able to boost a post like this, insight and contact details, just like it has been listed here. So at this point in time, I'll carry you through how to run your ads from A to Z. So follow me through to the next video that's going to follow just now on how to set up your targeted audience around. Today we're going to be looking at how to sponsor your ads. So I want to carry you through the setup. If you look at the image or the video you want to promote, you click on boost post. After clicking on your boost post, you allow it to load to the next phase. The frequently asked questions, and I've already set up questions and answers, possibly how they can reach out to us on WhatsApp, and then I've also done my welcome message. Welcome to Perfection. How may we be of help to your business today? So with this, I am sure that this would convert more businesses and be able to make people to click on a question relating to what concerns them about the sponsored ad. So next, at this point in time, you see your option. Is either you do profile visit or I land them to a website, like linking them to maybe perfectionbiz.com or possibly to another landing page or a form. But right now, what I need them is to be able to drop a message to my inbox on Instagram, and that is also good if you are always versatile and fast with your response on Instagram. So next, at this point in time, I want to set up my own audience, and this is actually the part where every young business entrepreneurs or owners miss it. When you tell them that come and do sponsor that, they tend to believe that they are doing enough because they are already running sponsor that. I can tell you, see, by default, you would use automatic to run your ads, and that automatic means that your ad is running to people in Nigeria or in Lagos, and even if it's Lagos alone, it will be targeting people under the bridge, people that are staying in different locations that are not relating to your targeted audience, and that's another reason why your ad is not performing well. So you create your own target audience. At this place, I call it my targeted audience. All right, that's the name. But mistake a lot of people that have edited their account also make is when they get to this point, instead of targeted audience, instead of just this, they will not write house, car. They will be interest. They'll put their interest where targeted audience name is supposed to be. Do you understand? This place is just a name. Anything you put here has no relevance to this sponsored ad at all. So if you now put a bag, shoe, house, luxury house, all sorts of things that you're trying to target, I'm sorry, you're just wasting your time. Now you go to your location. I like my location to be strictly fixed to a particular set of people in Lekki, for instance. So if you tap Lekki, Lagos, this Lekki, Nigeria, all right. Then Ikeja. I need people from Ikeja to see my ads. Then you could also do Lagos. But at this point in time, you're trying to use the locations like backdoor is in Ireland. When you click on your ads, you get to a place where you click on your goals, and your goals is to direct people to your profile visit, website, or to message you directly on Instagram or on WhatsApp. So at this point in time, I've done that, and I've set my welcome messages that can help people to tell me exactly what they need when they come into our DMs. So now you go to this part where you set up your audience. Please do not use automatic audience, and it is not even right for you to be using automatic audience. That's the reason why your ad has not been converting all this while. So you create your own audience and you name it. Like my targeted audience is what I'm trying to use now. At this point in time, you now search for your locations, and your location, Lekki is number one, because I want to make sure that everything I am doing is actually targeted and is easily this Ojo, Nigeria. I'm targeting Alimosho. If I can get Alimosho, for instance, Alimosho is a big community on the mainland too. I'm trying to target people there. They want to target people in Aja, Lagos, right? That's that. And I want to try and see if I can get people in Ikoyi. But sometimes these ads may not show all this audience that you need for you, but you need to target as much as you can see. Ikeja is another audience that you can actually target. All right, with this number of audience that I've targeted, not much, right? But you do the mistake of trying to like do a whole targeting by targeting the whole of Lagos. I'm sorry, not everybody in Lagos needs a business, so you need to target the audience, right? And you need to target not just Nigeria. So let's just leave this for now and move to the next one. All right, at this point in time, I'm having 136,000 potential reach. With this, if I run a good ad with a good fee right now, I'm going to be able to convert this result, because it's targeting low people, people no more than 136,000. And if I increase my years now, like I am not looking for people under the age of 20, so let me use some average of 25, 23 years, somebody that is mature, or 22 to the ages of 50 averagely, because at this age you are either still in business or you are backing off. So I'm targeting male and female. I've narrowed my audience down to 95, but with my interest, I'll be able to target the right audience, like luxury goods, all right, luxury cars. People deal with luxury things. I don't want people who would not really be among my targeted audience. Do you understand what I'm saying? So at this point in time, I'm trying to get the best out of my result and engage shoppers. Online shopping, that's when I clicked just now. It's not part of it. I want to remove it. Okay, so this is your first class in everything that you do. First class results, first class. And why are they giving me these options? It's because of the kind of audience I've already chosen from my initial first and second search. All these people need my targeted audience, all of them, and they are giving me the most relevant to my audience right now. So that's what you can see from here, and it's actually going to really work for the business. This you need to know also, because without you knowing all these necessary things, you're going to be missing out on a whole lot of opportunities on your targeted audience, and that's why you waste money on unnecessary audience. So my audience has been narrowed down to 50,000. I can tell you this is very small actually, but to be honest with you, if I'm targeting these 50,000 people alone right now, I'll get the right audience that I also need from there. But let me still try to expand the reach of this my targeted audience. I'm looking at people who are into social media, social network, who are into politics, because political issues they would like to also sponsor their arts, 3D printing, fashion. Right, so fashion is another big industry that you need to focus on. So you can see 3D here. I don't know this one. I need social media. I need people who are into governance. No, I need this. I need. So you just need to follow what works for your businesses. So as you are clicking on that, it is expanding your audience. You understand? So you target your fashion again, because fashion is a very big and wide industry right now in Nigeria. fashion designer. So you click on your fashion, and fashion design comes up, and you could click on it and then come down to see if there's other options. But that is that for now. And we move to the next option. My age is between 22 to 50. My audience is not automatic again. I've created my audience, you can see, and then from there I move to the budget I want to use for the ads. I want to spend up to like 10,000 naira for the next 10 days, and you could make it either a low budget of about, you could target 500 per day, or you could target 900 per day. So I'm going to try the lowest because I have I have a very limited or targeted audience, so these ads should be able to fly well for me. So at this point in time, you go to your review, but where you get it all or stocked up is when you go to do your payment. So at this point in time, you're gonna have to add your card details here. So this part, if you get to this place and it is not working for you, please, you need to contact us and reach out to us to be able to add your card and to professionally run your ads for you. So I want to say a big thank you to everybody that's still on live, and from here I will be saying have a lovely day. Contact us right now for your sponsored ad and enjoy your day. Thank you very much.